This dance is called Tic Tac Toe. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance with 2 tags. Starting on the right foot, you're going to vine to the right with a quarter turn on the end. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross that left behind the right, turn a quarter turn to the right as you step that right forward. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right, make a further quarter of a turn to the right as you step the left to the side. You're then going to cross rock the right behind the left, recover your weight back on that left, step the right to the side. Then add on a sailor step, left foot leading, behind, side, side. That set of steps once more then, vining off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step. Now we have got in this very first section the equivalent of a full turn. So your vine quarter, you step pivot half and then that further quarter of a turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, vine to the right but do not turn, side, behind, side. Now instead of your pivot half, just cross rock the left over the right, recover your weight on that right and step that left to the side. You can then pick up with everybody else with your back, rock, side and your sailor step. So non-turning steps should you need to take that equivalent full turn out from that very first section. You're then going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, left to the side. Go forward on a right step, lock, step. So step forward on the right, lock the left behind the right, step forward on that right again. Then step forward on the left, pivot yourself, quarter turn to the right, cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then, cross back off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross. Let's add that to the top. Vining off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross. You're going to add on 2 half rumba boxes, travelling forwards. So you're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward. Left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward. Then add on a mambo step, so you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left, step the right beside the left. Then run back 3 steps, left, right, left. That set of steps once more then, half rumba boxes off on that right. 7, 8, side, close, step, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, back, back. Let's add that to the top. Vining off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, back, back. You're going to add on a coaster step, right foot leading, so step back on the right, left beside right, step that right forward. Into a full triple turn. So you can make half a turn right, you step back on that left, half a turn right, you step forward on the right, then step forward on that left. Then step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left, step forward on the right, pivot another quarter of a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Coaster step off on the right. 7, 8. Coaster step, full triple turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. Now by virtue of its name, you have got a full turn in this section. Should you need to try and take that out, just replace it with a shuffle step. So you'll do your right-footed coaster step, shuffle forward on the left, and then add on your 2 step pivot quarters. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take out that full turn in that section. Now I will demonstrate that full triple turn whilst we're doing the walk-through. I'll actually be doing the non-turning left shuffle step when the music is on, but I'll still call that full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. It is the end of the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Winding off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Winding off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. So it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Winding off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, pivot. So that is your dance. And your feet will have to move a little bit on this dance because the music has got a bit of a pace to it. Now there are 2 tags in this dance. They come at the ends of walls 5 and 6. They are both the same. They are modified Charleston steps. So I'll show you facing the front. You're going to sweep your right foot around, touch it forward, sweep the right foot back and step back on it. Sweep the left, back, then sweep the right forward and step on it. So it's kind of your old-fashioned ballroom Charleston. Do that once more for you. Single count timing. Sweeping on that right. 7, 8. Point, back, point, step. So like I said, that comes at the ends of walls 5 and 6. So wall 5 will be the first time you get back to the front wall. Let's do wall 5. Add on your tag and restart so you can see how it fits in. Vining off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step. Cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross. Side, close, step, mambo, step, back, back, back. Coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, tag, point, back, point, step, restart, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. So tag, modified Charleston, ends of walls 5 and 6. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, side behind turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, side behind turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, side behind turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, side behind turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, sailor, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, full triple turn, step, pivot, 5, cross back, tag wall, rubbers, coaster, tag Charlestons, vine, cross back, next tag wall, rubber, coaster, tag Charleston, vine, crossback, rumba, coaster, vine, hope you managed that one.